In this video, you'll learn how to hire a furniture assembly service on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will successfully find and book a tasker to assemble your furniture efficiently. Start by navigating to the Taskrabbit website or opening the Taskrabbit app on your device. If you do not already have an account, you will need to create one. Look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this button, follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and fill in any required personal information to complete your account setup. Once you've signed in or created an account, locate the search bar, typically found at the top of the home page. Type in furniture assembly and press enter. The site will prompt you to enter your location to find available taskers nearby. Provide your city or zip code and confirm your entry. You will then see a list of taskers who offer furniture assembly services in your area. Next, you will need to describe your job in detail. Select the option to create a new task and fill out the form provided. Be as specific as possible about what needs assembling, including any brand or model names if applicable. This information helps taskers understand the scope of work and prepares them for the job ahead. After submitting your job description, you will be presented with a list of taskers who match your criteria. Take your time to compare their prices, read through reviews from previous clients, and check their availability. This comparison allows you to select a tasker who meets your budget and timeline requirements. Once you have chosen a tasker, proceeds to schedule your assembly service, you will have the option to book for the same day or select a date in the future. After confirming the date and time, you will be directed to the payment section. Payment, including any tips and reviews, is processed through the app after the service is completed, ensuring a smooth transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.